Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's another day here in JA in my house. Ow. Whatever that is. Anyway, you guys, look at my babies. Say hi.
Hi. Today we're doing bug.
Can you show them your mouth? Can you show them your mouth? What happened?
The fairy come.
The fairy come? How much did the fairy give you?
5.
Wow, expensive tooth. My baby girl lost her first tooth. I have no more baby. Now should I have another baby? No, it won't happen. I'm done. I officially don't have any more babies. So the kids love biking, and of course we're in the garage again and they're biking. I succeed. I don't know if you guys saw Tyler biking the last time and we're saying that he need a new bike, or I need to raise the seat of his bike. I succeed because Tyler have a biking exam coming up, so I succeeded to raise the seat of his bike and it's a little bit better. He's still wobbling a bit, but he's much better than some days. But yeah, we're down here with him trying to guide him through some steps to make him kind of master the riding a little bit more. So there is Papa being Papa, and he's gonna ride. That's okay, Sarah is not in your way. So there he is. Go, Ty, go. Look forward in front of you, all the way. Good job. Look at you sitting in the middle. Bravo. See, he's wobbling a bit. And the minute I say bravo, you're gone back on the side. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. There's Tyler coming down the... Very good, Ty. You look much better. Very good, Ty. Go, Sarah, faster. Keep going, Ty. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Sarah, go on the right. Bravo, Tyler. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, I actually just got home from work. I am so tired. I got like a little 15-20 minutes cat nap in the couch, and we're heading back up as soon as the kids finish riding for a few minutes to make dinner. Today's Sunday, so I have to make dinner for the next few days because your girl don't have time to cook every day like usually in the past. But anyway, I'll take you guys along, and of course Tyler already reminded me that Mama, I'm coming in the kitchen with you. So let's see what we're gonna cook up today. Anyway, if it's your first time watching, ensure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Honey, turn on the TV, please. Okay, I have my little sous chef. You know what we're gonna cook today? So we're gonna cook a few things to make the food last for a few days, okay? So the two starch that we're gonna do is mac and cheese and rice, yellow rice. I found back the yellow coloring thing. My kids love when I cook yellow rice, put coloring in the rice. And then we're going to do salmon and chicken. And the two veggie we're gonna do is spinach and broccoli. Okay, Ty? So first thing first, we're gonna do the rice. Can you get the rice? Let's go. Oh, wake up. Rice in here. Come on, we're gonna have to move fast. We don't have time. It's already 6 o'clock. We would normally be eating dinner, and now we're just starting.
6 o'clock normally. I'm coming back from school.
And eating when you reach home.
No, when I reach home, I shower.
We used to eat at 7 in the Sunday. On Sunday.
Mama,
Yes.
it's meal with bread.
What happened?
It's a meal with bread.
No, that's
Some
okay.
rice came out.
That's okay. Open it. Just open it like this. Open. No,
I was thinking that rice was fine.
that's okay. So we whenever you're cooking rice, you must wash the rice before you cook the rice, okay? So we're gonna cook, let's see what amount we're gonna cook today. We're gonna put that amount. Okay.
It's nothing.
What do you mean it's nothing? You're gonna get a good amount from that. You'll see. Okay, take out the pan. Hurry, briskly. You're gonna wash it. Put your hand in the pan and mix up the rice.
I feel like I'm...
Mix it around, mix it around. You're cleaning the rice.
I feel like I'm cultivating it.
Okay, to make it easier for you, you could use the... Hold it, don't move. I'm going to make it easier for you, so you use the strainer.
I'm taking the rice off.
Come, throw the rice in here. I hold it. You throw the rice. And you always wash it 2 times because Mama always wash it 2 times. Don't ask me why. Okay, wash.
Yes, I'm in camera.
Okay.
Rice out of...
Shake out the rice in the pot from your hand. Put it back in the water. Put your hand in the water. Next hand. Okay. Okay, so cook it. The rice finished washing. Now you need the water to cook the rice, right? Okay, so to know what amount of water you're going to put to cook the rice, I always just put a little bit over the amount of the rice that is in the pot, like that. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, wait. You never put the rice cooker wet inside the rice cooker. Okay? Go ahead, put it in. Put it in slowly, don't drop it. You put it down all the way in. There's a button at the back of the rice cooker. Turn it on. Very good. Look at the front, you see an orange light?
No.
Not yet?
It was already on.
It was already on. Okay, now you put the thing down to cook. Very good. With the rice cooker, once you click it down and click cook, it automatically stops when it cooks. So you don't have to do anything else. But before you cover it, what do you think you need to add? 2 things you need to add. What and what you need to add? This and what?
Salt.
Salt. Okay, I'm going to put the salt for you. So, Mama just going to estimate it. Put this amount of salt. Okay, so it's about a pinch. Little more than a pinch. Okay, with the coloring, you have to be very careful because this coloring is strong, right? So I'm going to use the tip of the spoon. Okay, look. Scoop up some and mix it. Mix it with this. Gently, take your time. All of it, mix it. You're not supposed to see the color at all. Oh, gently. Okay, right now this is very, very yellow. Mama put a little bit more than what you would usually put, but that's fine. Now cover it. And we're gonna put butter, but Mama like to put the butter just before it stops or when it stops. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so rice on its way. Where's the cover for this? Okay, so one thing done.
Salmon.
No, salmon is the last thing we're gonna do. Now we need a pot. We need 2 pots.
Wait.
We need 1 pot for the pasta and we need 1 pot for the broccoli. And we need the 3rd pot for the spinach because we're doing everything one time. Here.
This is for macaroni.
No, that's for the broccoli.
Here.
Since you know how to cook pasta, you're gonna start the process. What do you do first when you're cooking the pasta? No, take it off, go catch water. Just hang it here and just hold one side. Okay, go ahead. You can put hot water to make it boil easier. You don't need to touch it. You don't need to touch it. You have a way to go.
Just cut this circle, right?
No, circle will be too much. Before it reaches the circle, you need half of the pot. Yes.
Almost ready.
Very good. Now, okay, come. Let's go, let's go. Turn on this light. Turn on the stove. No. Turn on the stove.
How many?
6. What you do now when you're cooking pasta? What do you do when you're cooking pasta? You don't remember? Think.
I put butter, no?
No, you don't reach the butter stage yet. You put the butter after the pasta cook.
Is salt? No.
Very good.
Is salt?
You put salt. You put 2 things before you put the pasta. What are the 2 things that you
salt,
put?
and I think he's something in here. But
Yes, so what it is? Oil.
Ah, yes.
Why you put the oil?
To make it boil.
No. To make it not stick together.
Ah, yes.
Can you get the oil, please? Okay. Open the oil and throw a little bit in it.
Little.
Okay, that's good. Perfect. Okay. Put back the oil. And close the pot. In the meantime, we're gonna start the spinach.
Okay, spinach.
So the spinach, put your pot here. Take this, that's the spinach. You're gonna cut it.
I'm gonna put everything inside.
No, you're gonna cut the bag. Cut, it's plastic, you can't pull it. How are you gonna cut the bag? Hold it and cut it, just like if you're cutting paper.
There's a problem. There's a little bit. Wait, I can do it with the hand.
No.
But I can do it.
No. Throw half of it in there. Throw, man, throw. It's okay. Tyler, throw.
I'm afraid. If you said half, I have to bring half. That's half.
Okay, yes.
That may
half.
be 3/4.
You're gonna throw a cup of water in here. A cup? No. Go for a cup. Or you can use one of the bowl here and put some water in it.
It's good.
Come.
I put just a bit. Huh?
That's okay. Throw it in there.
It's hot.
That's okay. All of it, it's okay. You're gonna squish out the bouillon, 1 bouillon in it. Here. All of it, mash it fast. Come on, let's go briskly.
I'm scared to do big piece.
That's okay. Squish out all of it.
So there's one big piece.
Mash it out. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Squeeze it hard. Okay, you're gonna add some salt. Come on, squeeze it. You're not squeezing it. That's why it's taking so long.
Yes.
Okay. That's okay. Take out this and throw some salt. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. Put this on the stove here. Go ahead. One more thing. Wash your hand and come back. You have one more thing to put on it. So because we're making creamy spinach, you're gonna put one of these.
Creamy
Oh.
spinach. Not creamy spinach without squeeze.
Squeeze it all over it, all of it. Don't be afraid, it's okay. Shake it. Voila, that is it. Hold on, because it's empty out like that, you have to do it like this. You can't squeeze it. Okay, you're gonna take a spoon and gently mix it. Hurry up.
Wait, can I have a thing?
Yes. Hold it. Hold the spoon shorter than that. Short. Very good.
Wow.
That's okay. Go ahead, man. It's okay.
Sticky. I'm saying sticky.
So if it's sticky, you find a way to break it up. Okay? Okay, that's fine now. We're gonna close it and let it cook. Okay. Okay, we're gonna move to the broccoli. Okay, so you need to wash your broccoli and cut up your broccoli. Okay? Okay. So I'm cutting out the plastic. And you put the broccoli under the pipe, let the water go through the holes here.
Okay.
And on the broccoli too, not just in the hole, all over it. Come, come, come. Taking too long, oh.
But it's like...
Ale. Shake, finish now. Shake it off. Come here.
What's going in the oven?
Look, chicken. Hold it. Hold this here. You're going to cut off the stems one by one.
The suspenses?
Yes. All of them. Cut them one by one. Watch your finger. Very good. Just cut off all of them. That's your focus right now, is to just cut them off. Very good. All of them. Watch your finger. Very good. Hold it strong. Very good. Watch your finger. Bravo. Continue. And while you're cutting them off the stem, I'm going to double cut them and put them in here.
They're a bit small.
That's okay, you can cut them off. Hurry, the pasta pot soon need you. Bravo, Tai. Good job. Hold it like this. Hold it. Now cut them off, all of them. Cut, voila. Bravo, good job. Okay, throw that in the bin. Now we're gonna throw some water on this and put it to cook. Get your pasta ready. Come wash your hands.
It's hot?
Maybe. Come, pasta time. Pasta pot boiling.
Okay.
So you need to throw this out in it fast. Hold on, let me give you a spoon. Throw it in it. All of it. Throw the box in it. Very good. Throw the box and come back. Put it in the recycle. Next one. In it. Very good. Hold the pot and gently mix the pasta. Hold the spoon shorter than that. Too short. Okay. Mix. You need to dig the pasta from the bottom. The aim is to not let it stick. You're not supposed to feel non-sticking. Okay, okay. Everything lift up. Finish. Finish mixing. Put the spoon across the pot. Now
I remember.
turn this one on 4.
Oh, is that one?
Yes, put it on 4. Okay.
The broccoli.
The broccoli is on 6. That's fine. Okay, we're gonna get the salmon ready until the pasta ready. Okay, Tai, we're gonna prep the salmon. I like to take the salmon skin off the salmon, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You hold the skin and you take the salmon off the skin like that. So you're gonna do the next one, but look at me do this one first. When I reach the middle, I'm gonna turn it over and I'm just gonna slide the knife under it like this.
Okay.
Ta-da! Skin off. And then I'm gonna wash it. Wait,
I take it.
wait. Let me cut this one first. And then I'm gonna cut it into two. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll wait for you to do the other one. Let's see if you can do it. Come. Hurricane, no. First you peel it off here. And you use the knife and push it off the skin. No, you don't cut. You just pull the skin. Hold the skin. Hold the skin of the salmon. Hold the skin like this. And just pull your knife and use the knife. Take off the skin like that. When you reach the middle, you flip it around. You put the knife, hold the skin of the salmon. The skin. Strong. Very strong. Hold on.
Too strong that I'm gonna break it.
What you're trying to do is cut the skin off.
I'm doing
of
the
salmon.
thing.
Okay, let me finish this part.
I did absolutely nothing.
Okay, I'll take out the skin for you.
Mama.
Yes, I think that part is a little bit challenging for you.
Yes. Cut it too.
Yes, Sarah. Tell her mix your pasta. You want to help? Yes, you can help.
Do it to help you with the salmon.
You don't want to help the salmon? Tell her.
What do you have to do
Mix
with
the pasta slowly.
Okay.
Slowly. You're digging from under the bottom. The aim is to take off everything that's sticking
Mama.
to make it not stick.
Mama.
So don't mix too hard so the water flop out, burn you. Yes, Sarah?
You just use
What
your
do
email
you
for
need for
the
the salmon?
26th.
What do you need for the salmon?
Okay.
I want Mama want to do it.
Okay, hold on, Sarah. You can help Tyler with the mac and cheese.
Oh, I
You want-
changed my mind.
What you want to help with?
You?
Yeah, but what do you want to help with?
You still recording now?
The salmon.
Yes.
Okay.
The salmon.
Just to know for the video.
The salmon.
Yeah, they help with the salmon. Okay, you can help me to put it in the air fryer when it's time.
How you put it in the salmon?
How we put it in the air fryer? Tyler, test if your pasta cook. Test if your pasta cook. Take up one pasta and taste it.
I'm waiting.
Take it up and taste it. It won't burn you. It's okay. It cook?
For me,
It cook?
for me, yes.
Okay.
I done it for you.
No, I'm following you. You said cook, so it cook.
Not like the usual mac and cheese, but it tastes like that is. Mama, I want to help with the macaroni and the cheese and the salmon.
You want to help with the macaroni and cheese and the salmon?
Yes.
Okay, Ty,
Yes, sir.
get butter and milk.
Butter. Milk. Yes.
Sarah, tu peux pas courir.
I know butter, but
Tu restes où tu es. Si tu vas de l'autre côté, tu fais tout le tour doucement en marchant.
We're taking this off the stove. Okay. Get the milk. Open the milk.
First time it open. Official.
What a boy week. Okay.
It's born.
Butter. That's okay until I open that. Get the butter. Take up a big piece of butter. You know what is big? Big chunk.
Try you. Oof. Ow.
Voila. Mix that in. Throw some milk in it. Come on, move faster than that. Stop. Get the macaroni and cheese. Get the cheese. Where's the cheese? Here. Throw it out in it. All of it. Sarah, come if you want to help. Come around. Go around. Tyler, all of it fast, please. Sarah, come fast. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure to this other one. Here. Hold it. You're gonna throw it out in the pot. Throw it in the pot. Don't touch anything. Just throw it in the pot. All of it. Fast, fast, fast. Tyler, get your spoon. And you're gonna hold the pot and you're gonna mix that. Everything's supposed to blend out. Go. Go. Get down. Get down, Sarah. I'm cooking. You're gonna get down. It's gonna burn.
Yum, yum.
Very good, Tyler. Keep mixing.
This looks
You're not supposed to see no more butter, no more cheese when you finish mixing.
This looks yummy.
Keep mixing, man. Keep mixing the same way you mix.
Of the corners.
That's why you need to mix fast because it's not supposed to stop. Very good, like that. Keep going.
I did all my
Stop talking, boy.
I did all my strength.
Well, you want to cook, you need your strength. You're gonna eat some of the spinach when you finish cooking. And I'm gonna put butter in the rice. Come on, keep going. Mix, boy. Mix. Mix, boy. Mix. Lose your strength.
My right hand
Your right hand tired?
is dying.
It's dying, your right hand.
My right hand is
Okay, that looks good. Now you're gonna put it back. Taste it. Use this spoon so you can put the spoon in your mouth directly. Taste it and tell me how it is. Put it. Come back. Put it on the stove back. Put it back on the stove.
I feel like there's a bit too much milk.
No, that's why you're putting it on the stove. It's not finished. It's not finished. Hurry up.
How many?
One.
One.
Yes. Put it on one. Give me more butter from the fridge.
Butter from the fridge. Butter. Butter. I made butter. Butter. What is inside this?
Why come out of the fridge? It's gone.
Battery dance.
Okay, we're gonna put the salmon in the air fryer. You have 4 pieces of salmon, so you have to try to make all of them whole in here.
And they can't go on top?
No, you can't put them on top of each other. Come.
I'm gonna
It's hot.
It's impossible.
It's hot. Look. So I'm gonna put them with the skin side down. Okay? Look. So I put one in the corner here. Put another one in the corner. They're going to touch, you know, but not like on top of each other. See?
On top of on top. It's
And
a bit
then
on top.
you put this in for 15 minutes. And when it finish, it's cooked. Now, chicken needs to go over here.
Bish. Can I
Where
put this inside?
Yeah, but you need this. And it's hot. Can you try? Come. Briskly. Get one. And you put it the furthest. Very good. All of them. Keep it moving. All of them. Very good. Come on, let's go. Very good. Drop all of them in the corner. Come on, that's okay. There go.
Hello.
You start
Hello,
talking before
hello,
before I was
hello,
recording.
hello.
Show Faves everything that you participate in cooking. Hold on, Sarah. I'm filming with Tyler for a second. Start from over there. Show Faves. Open. Mac and cheese. Okay.
Chicken.
Here.
Broccoli.
What's this one?
Spinach.
Over here.
Rice.
And then in the air fryer you have salmon.
Hello.
And then we have what over there for dessert?
Strawberry.
Okay, we're ready to eat.
Bye.
The white rice is yellow, and that's a look of somebody's plate.
It's
Sous chef. Sous chef, how is the food?
yummy.
Not eat. Not to eat. Eat. Why I give you so much macaroni and cheese though? It's a lot, right?
Yeah.
You want me to take out some?
Yeah.
That's okay. Sit up. Sit up.